Turn off power and swap the old fan for the new quiet motion sensor exhaust fan following safe, measured steps. Start by confirming the circuit is off at the breaker and verify with a non-contact voltage tester. Remove the old faceplate and disconnect the wiring at the junction, noting which conductors are neutral, hot, and ground. Label them with tape if needed. Cut the power cable only after the breaker is off and the tester shows no voltage. Then remove the old housing from the ceiling by loosening mounting screws or nails and lowering it carefully to avoid tearing drywall. Measure the existing opening and compare to the new fan's housing, then mark and cut the ceiling to the larger size if the new unit requires it, using a drywall saw and wearing eye and dust protection. Fit the new housing into the opening, secure it to framing with screws or the provided mounting bar, and prepare the exhaust duct by sliding the duct into the fan outlet and fastening it with a hose clamp and HVAC foil tape for a sealed connection. Make the electrical connections using NM cable connectors into the fan's wiring box and Wago-style push-in connectors for neat, reliable joins, connecting neutral to neutral, hot to the fan hot and sensor hot as instructed, and connect ground to the fan ground screw. Then tuck wiring neatly and secure the cover before restoring power and testing the sensor and fan cycle. 3 common mistakes are incorrect wiring of the motion sensor that ties constant hot to the sensor output, causing continuous running, too small an opening that stresses the housing or causes vibration, and a poorly sealed duct joint that leaks air and reduces performance. Correct the first by double-checking wiring diagrams and separating the switched hot conductor for the sensor from any constant feed. And, if uncertain, turn power off and use a tester or call an electrician. Prevent the second by measuring the new housing before cutting and using a template to mark the ceiling for a clean fit, and reinforce the ceiling opening with a simple wood frame if drywall is weak. Fix the third by trimming the duct to fit without kinks, using a dedicated 4-inch rigid or semi-rigid duct where possible, clamping firmly and wrapping the joint with HVAC foil tape. Add a short backdraft damper if you notice reverse airflow. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like bathroom fan upgrades. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask and answer project questions, and exchange installer recommendations and practical installation experience.